cruise into the realm of opulence as we explore the largest yacht in the world, the Azam. Boasting an astounding length of 590 feet, it outshines its nearest rival by over 50 feet. Engineered with a combination of style and speed, the Azam can cruise at a brisk 30 knots. That's faster than most yachts half its size. But it's not just about size and speed. The Azam houses a sumptuous lounge, over 90 feet in length, adorned with timeless French decor. And the price tag? A cool $600 million. Remember though, size isn't everything. It's what you do with it that counts, and the Azam, it seems, does it in style. Join us again for more fascinating facts. Until then, keep exploring the extraordinary.